to cook. Ang mga tao dito is just lalabas and then bibili dito sa street na to. It's just outside the apartments. Here is Nasi Udok. It's Nasi Udok. This is different kinds of food. Sari-sari na fruit. It looks super. Coffee, if you want. This is Uber Kachang. Oh, this is it. Different kinds of pachu. And this one is chicken. This is percadel. If you want fresh food, fresh gulay, you can have it here too. Susuka Dilay means gado-gado. Still clothes, knee iron, and chupit. Not yet cooking. That one is the chupit. Taho boxes and